In front of me is Huawei Mate 40 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first, just reach the settings, then click on About Phone and click 7 times on build number, unless it is active. So as you can see in my case, it has been already activated. Now just reach System and Updates, click on Developer Options, scroll down a bit, and here you've got demo mode. Mark it, and if you want to apply it, just click on this switcher, and now it is active. If you'd like to display it as well, just click on Show Demo Mode, and now it is visible. You can see the difference in status bar. And this is it. This is how you can activate demo mode. Then if you want to deactivate it, just click on the same switcher one more time. And actually, that would be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.